here? Yeah, like I said, we'll ship one in the you know, wherever, you know.
Yan guys, so titimon, no? Okay guys, titimon. Tapos meron kaming dalawang piloto guys. Yan guys, timon. Bagong tabas itong nagtitimon namin. Yes, ayan. Yes, ayan.
Oh, absolutely. That's gonna be the first question there.
Ayan guys. Yan, nasa Mississippi kami guys. Papunta kami ng Bonnet Carré Anchorage. Doon sa malakas ang Agos. Doon sa nasiraan kami ng angkla. So, yan. Yan guys. Yan. Dalawang piloto yan guys. 1,000 per hour yan guys. Piloto na lang tayo rito guys. Sige guys. Baba na ako, magugas na ako ng plato guys. See you.